Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys video to blog AI, another tool which I found it very useful, and and what it does, it converts YouTube videos into a blog articles. Okay, so create highly quality SEO optimized content in seconds with AI. It's amazing tool because what it does is actually it's getting your YouTube videos. Let's say that you have some sort of YouTube content and you want to also create a blog article out of that YouTube video, okay, and this tool is actually can create that for you using AI functionalities. All right, so I'm gonna quickly show you how it's working, okay? But before we go, let's go and analyze the sales page. Very pretty straightforward, pretty straight to the point. Not nothing much is actually happening on this web page. It's pretty nice and clean, okay? I like it. Okay, it's similar like to google.com. If you go to the google.com, there's nothing except the search bar, and absolutely that's enough for the user who is searching for some sort of information. Similar here, there is no much of a noise. You just type, you just paste your YouTube URL, and you just click create blog, okay, and the blog will be created automatically for you. Okay, there are a few advanced options which we'll go through them very shortly, but for the moment, let's go and quickly go and see the pricing. Okay, so the pricing it comes with either the monthly or the annually. If you choose the annual plan, there's a 25% discount on that. But for the monthly plan, let's start with the monthly plan first. Okay, again, it's very simple informations here. There's no three sort of plans. The plan is very simple. If you want to have 125 credits per month, you'll be paying them $14. Okay, and it is that's up to 225 blocks per month. Okay, so what it does, the block generations. Okay, block generations credits depends on the length and AI model chosen by the user. Okay, so there are a few different AI models. Okay, and those are very up to date. Okay, so you got a 4.0 mini, 4.0, and also sonnet. Okay, very good. And for those you are paying the money, if you want to use the 3.5 GPT 3.5, I believe inside the software there's still the availability to pay to use that one. But that for 3.5 you don't have to pay anything, or maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you need to pay some sort of credit or two, but I don't know for the moment. We just need to go inside and check it out. But I think that those which they are outlined here, you definitely need to pay for them. Okay, but it makes sense, because if you go to ChatGPT, for those two versions you will have to pay anyway, and same with the Cloud Sonnet. Okay, so short blogs, 700 words, 1 credit you'll be charged. Medium blogs up to 1500 words, 2 credits, and long 2,500, 3 credits. All right, pretty straightforward, and we know how we will be charged out of that 125 credits. Okay, so let's say that you want to short blog, and you'll be charged on 1 credit out of that. Okay, that's why they say 100 up to 225 blogs per month. Okay, because if you'll be creating only one blog post which will not exceed 700 words, you will be charged 1 credit per blog post, which equals to 125 blog posts. Okay, now AI generated images, that's 8 credits. So let's say that if you want to generate the credits on top of that, all right, so that's no problem at all. This tool can also help you out with this functionalities. Then what you have to do, you just, let's say that you want to do one blog post up to 700 words, which will gonna cost you 1 credit, plus you want to do 8 like 1 image. Okay, which per image is 8 credits. Okay, so let's say for this you got a 9 credits per 1 blog post. Okay, premium transcriptions. Okay, so it's gonna cost you some sort of credits per minute. Premium transcriptions are an options that you can use to increase the quality of generated blog. Instead of using the transcript that is already on YouTube video, which is often not very accurate, we can transcribe it using our premium service. The credit cost depends on the length of the video. So for a 10 minutes video, it would cost 2 credits. They only cost the first time a blog is generated. If you want to regenerate the same blog after using premium subscription, there is no additional cost. Okay, so that's also pretty straightforward. So let's say here you got a AI edit. So okay, so for each edit you will be paying 0.1 credit. However, if you use the premium subscription and you'll be, let's say you have a 10 minutes blog post, that will be charged once and you won't be charged anymore for this AI edits. All right, so humanizer, okay, between 15 to 45 credits. Humanizer can rewrite your blog to bypass AI detectors using Ghost AI. Okay, that's also, it's gonna cost you some credits. Auto add screenshots, it's free. Export to blogs, free. Generate SEO metadata, free. Generate promotions, free. Content analyzer, manual add screenshots, fully edit blogs, free. Okay, so I think they have very transparent pricing. Okay, they not only telling you how much it's been to create one blog post. Okay, because they could end up here, it's up to 225 blog posts per month, and you, let's say, paying $14 and you're expecting that. But they also saying to you that if you want to use some images, that's gonna cost you some credits. If you want to do some premium transcriptions, it's gonna cost you credits. And if you want to make sure that this blog post will bypass the AI detector, it's gonna cost you credits, which I think is fair enough. They actually saying that up front. Okay, now let's go and do some additional changes. If we gonna pay then $29 a month, those credits will go up to 250. Okay, and the next stage would be 59, 500 credits, and so on and so forth. If you're a heavy user, you might consider even going to 1250 credits per month for $179. Okay, so that's about the pricing. Now let's go to the dashboard. Okay, so in a dashboard we have, it's a simple dashboard, no much complication. What we want to do, we just create a blog and now type URL. Okay, I got my YouTube channel here. Okay, and let's say that I want to use, let's say this video here. Okay, so let's go and take this URL and let's paste it here. And what we can do, we can go ahead and do some additional advanced settings here. Okay, so we can choose between those three different models. Okay, this one is locked and this one is locked because at the moment I'm using the free version. I'm planning to purchase that that at least $14 subscription on some stage in the future, where I will decide what type of blog I want to run. Okay, because I'm planning to do, what I'm planning to do is I just want to go ahead and create some of those blog posts out of the videos which I already created inside my channel. As you can see, guys, I have 104 videos already been posted, and some of those videos I want to transcript into the blog posts. Okay, and I found this tool and I think it might be a good idea to start testing it and using my own content here and create a small blog post and see if it's ranked out there. Okay, so I definitely want to see if it's how it's gonna work, and if I have any sort of thoughts about this whole process. I might even be able to share that with you guys in future videos. Okay, but for the moment, let's go and stick with what's available to us now on this free plan. Okay, so shorts 700, yeah, perfect. If you want to more, you just have to pay for it first. And the same, use premium subscription, still you have to go for the upgraded version. Tone, There you go. If you got a few tones which you'll be like, very professional, informal, informational, energetic, friendly, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I want to be informational, for example. Point of view. Okay, you got a few options. You can be as a first person plural, second person, third person. Okay, I think that second person might be absolutely fine. Images, auto add screenshots. Okay, when enabled, the AI will automatically add screenshots from the video to your generated blog, and I think that's what I want to achieve here. Number of screenshots, let's say that I want between 3 and 5, and add images. That's also available if you pay for the plan. Okay, links, include links from description. I think I want to use that one. Do I have some links here? I believe I do. Okay, so yeah, got AppSumo link here. Perfect. So I want to use this one. SEO, social, those all available via the paid plan. Add-ons like an embedded video, you can do that as well. So the video will be visible under the blog post. Blog structure. Okay, use chapters as outlined. Yes, please. Also, let's go for the format first. Summary, interview, listicle, product review. I think tutorial or product review will be absolutely, I think tutorial will be fine. Use tables. Do I need the tables? Yes, please. Emojis, I think that's fine. Okay, and range, like high attributions, public, and everything else. I think I will leave it as it is by default. Okay, time range, see 1548. This software already discovered that this video is 15 minutes 49 seconds long. Okay, so that's why they put it here. So let's say that I want to use that, maybe not the whole one. I want to use it. Hold on a second. No, let's leave it as it is. Okay, and now let's create the blog post. I don't know how long it's gonna take us. Okay, take a minute, sending the script to AI, writing the blog post. Look, matter of seconds. Absolutely fantastic. Kling AI review, how to use and benefit from the huge updates. Absolutely fantastic. Look at this, guys. Okay, 700 words. It's been created for us in a matter of split seconds. Okay, so I not even have to stop this video, to wait for the final result. Look how quickly this has been created for us, and look at the quality of those emojis. We've got a table. If we ask, we have we have H1s, H2s. We have a video being embedded. We have a screenshots coming out of the video itself. And some generate your first image. There you go. After setting your prompt and reference image, click to generate button. The process is quick, often takes just a few seconds. There you go. Look, it's and all those images actually making sense. So I can see already that this has been actually doing whatever it's been saying, so it's absolutely amazing. I think it's this is a great tool. Okay, I still hasn't been using it for my own blog, but because I might decided to go ahead and create my own blog out of the videos which I already created here inside my channel. That's why I thought, okay, which software shall I use now to do it? And I really do consider this video to blog AI. If I start doing that, guys, on a regular basis, I'll definitely will give you an update on future videos on how it works. Okay, so in the meantime, I just want to thank you for watching, and also I'll be included the link to video to blog AI inside the description of this video. If you like it, please hit the like button. If you got any questions, please leave it below, and thank you very much once again for watching. Bye now.